Hey sisters. Is it sisters or sister? I don't know. Yeah, let's just jump into it. Well, recently, it's been a while. Recently, there are a lot of dramas on YouTube. And let me just take a look at my script. Okay. Yeah. So, unless you quite literally live under a rock, there are mainly two dramas going on, and yeah. One is, I believe, is a gamer called Yared, yeah. And he's been having some kind of monkey business. 10 points for using some complicated expressions in English. And the other one, I believe, is called James Charles. And yeah, he put on makeups and stuff. And yeah. So, what? So, in order to stay as relevant as I can, today we're going to talk about how to address dramas in Cantonese. Okay. So, the route that we are taking is actually quite similar in Cantonese and in English. So in Cantonese we call this kind of crazy situations drama, and in Cantonese we call them hey. So yeah, and watching dramas, like just being an audience, is Thai hey in Cantonese. So literally this Thai hey means watching movies. Yeah, hey means movies, literally. So and well, this is sort of like an old school default kind of expression, and if you're not using some cool hip fresh kind of slangs, then do you even internet? So if you do want to be an extra bit of relevant and being like, how do you do, fellow kids, then you should probably learn something more than this. So blah. And I guess many of you guys watching already know that in English, drama can also be addressed as tea. Yeah, tea that you drink. I don't know why. Please answer why. So instead of, I don't know, popcorn or something more drama related, maybe ice cream, why tea? Do people drink tea during drama watching? So you do Netflix and tea. Is that how it works? If not, why tea? Seriously. Anyway, yeah, I have these kind of doubts because the expression in Cantonese is very movie related, because the default expression is movie, hey. But yeah, we also have food. Well, basically the expression is food, so tea in Cantonese can be addressed as fa sung. Fa sung literally means peanuts. Yeah, this is a word that I was very afraid to say because I can't nail the pronunciation. Very rare, you see, like this. So when I was little, out of 8 out of 10 times, I would say peanuts or penis. So not until recently that I actually cracked down the word peanuts is actually P plus nuts. What? I am such a genius. So yeah, that was the tangent. Is that what you call it? Anyway, T means fa sung in Cantonese. Yeah. And we have two kind of verbs when dealing with this fa sung situation. So to spill the tea, aka to, tell something, gossip, and what? Say something juicy and gossiping. Yeah, I copied it from the Urban Dictionary, so yeah. To spill the tea is pie. To distribute, fa sung, you're giving out peanuts to people, spill the tea. And to enjoy the tea, watching as someone else burn in flames when their career, just being crashed and destroyed. Sek fa sung literally means eating peanuts. I have to be very careful on that one. Okay, so yeah, it's just like this. And one more thing is, fa sung is not as cool or new in terms of being a slang than tea. Fa sung actually has been around for at least 5 years plus in the Hong Kong Reddit kind of situation, and now it has become somewhat very commonly known. Let's just put it this way. People on Facebook use fa sung, this kind of expression, so you know how old it is. And how do we put these kind of expression? What's wrong with my mouth? How do we put these kind of expressions into, daily conversations? Let's just see. Let me just... Oh shit. I tear the whole thing apart. And we can take a look at this. Please focus. So we can say 嗰度有人打交啊. There is someone fighting with someone else over there. 今次有戲睇啦. Okay, we get to enjoy some drama, looks like. And then the other one can say 唔好成日掛住食花生啦. Just don't enjoy the tea too much. It's been quite annoying and obnoxious that you've been drowning in tea daily. And yeah, watch out for the tea poisoning. So, how many times have I said so in this video? Comment down below if you have been counting. Thank you. And let's just tear this and throw this away. And okay, so the Cantonese tutorial part is actually over, and I am sincerely considering to becoming a beauty guru. Well, I have been showing my bare face by now, and I have purchased a very glowy mirror. Look at yourself. Yes. And all I need will probably be a video with me crying and apologizing. Well, I did apologize a bunch of times and make it into video forms. You can go look for those. And yeah, so I guess the crying part I still have to work on that, because I have to make sure you can tell I am fake crying. Yep. So that's it for this video. I am sorry I have not been, you know, present for a while. See, I am apologizing. That's another step. And what else do I have to say? Yeah. My speech is not as quick or as, I don't know, clever when I am doing like edited videos, because this one is obviously not going to be edited other than background music and stuff like that. So please forgive me for being slow. Yeah, and I actually don't really know how to end this video, so this is the end of this video, and thank you very much for watching to this point. And let me know in the comments down below, what do you want to learn, or do you have any questions regarding to this situations? Oh, not situations, it's the tutorial. I mean, I'm sure you can find a lot of information out there on YouTube regarding the YouTube drama that's going on. And what else? Oh, make sure you like this video if you find it useful, and subscribe if you want to. Please do. What else? Oh, that bell thingy. Click that as well. I guess it helps. I don't know, because I am a tiny YouTube channel that it doesn't really matter because I am not even monetized. So I heard that helps, so click that. Probably helped. So how many times have I said so by now? And I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Ooh. What even is this?